Greetings of the day from Airtel Tigo. His Excellency, the Vice President of Ghana, Alhaji Mahmoudou Bawumia, the Honorable Telecom and Digitization Minister, Ursula Owusu Ekuful, my dear friend Ken, the CEO of the Chamber of Telecom, stalwarts of the telecom industry, and distinguished audience and guests. Greetings from Airtel Tigo once again. It is a pleasure and a privilege to be associated as a sponsor with the Mobile for Technology Development Conference. This is one of the most important events in the calendar of Ghana, and it foretells us about the future of what telecom should look like. And today's topic of digital financial inclusion is very close to the heart of Airtel Tigo. We are in the midst of the pandemic, which is Corona, which is raging like wildfire across the globe. Unfortunately, we don't know when we can say it is over. The need for a digital financial inclusion cannot be more stark than now, because this is the time to bridge the gap between the haves and the have-nots, and the people who are privileged and the people who are less privileged. And digital financial inclusion plays a very key role in that bridging of the gap. To tell us or share our views about what digital financial inclusion is all about, I would like to compare the digital financial inclusion through a human body and an economy. Let's take into consideration the Ghanaian economy. Okay, Accra is the capital, and let us think of it as the heart and the lung of the capital, from where oxygen and blood flows across the body. If the heart pumps well, the body is healthy. If the body functions well, the hands and the legs, the heart pumps well. So it's a very synergistic equation. It's not very dissimilar to what happens in an economy. The ease with which money flows across the economy makes it strong or weak. Hitherto, if you looked at the evolution of economies, there used to be river valley civilizations. Then in the last 200 years, railroads, roads, bridges, etc. took significant importance. But now it is not the railroads or the roads, it is the digitization which is actually proving to be the connection between the parts of the economy, and it is making all of them come together. If the economy has to chug along positively, the money has to flow from one place to another. And that is where the ubiquitous and very, very inexpensive mobile phone and mobile technology, along with the mobile wallet, plays a very, very important role. We telecom service providers and the providers of the mobile wallet are in a very unique position to help in this journey and transformation of the economy. What does Airtel Tigo have to do with this situation or digital financial inclusion? As you are aware, Airtel Tigo is one of the leading operators in this country, and we have been providing mobile financial services for the past many years. We've realized that a money institution is something which needs to be trusted. So we've made our platforms which are so robust that it is very difficult to have any fraud on them. We do our utmost in our systems, through our systems, to make your money very safe. Not just that, Ghana is a vast country, 240,000 square kilometers. It's very important for any citizen living anywhere in the country to be able to access their money easily. So with a wide distribution spread across the country, we've ensured that any person anywhere is able to have free and easy access to their money. Not just that, we've identified that merchants, vendors, partners, whether it's betting, etc., they also play a very important role. Entertainment, how do you consume your music? How do you consume movies? How do you want to watch your matches? Everything depends on your mobile phone. So we made it easy, for instance, for you to subscribe to our digital channel. We made it easy to pay through Uber, etc., etc., etc. And that is something which is an empowerment of the consumer at the lowest end of the pyramid, the financial pyramid. As we traverse this journey together with the rest of the telecom providers, we can only reaffirm our commitment to the country and the people that we are in this completely, and we are for the digital financial inclusion, and we would do our utmost to make this a roaring success. Thank you.